If you're visiting the Pumice Stone Passage on the Sunshine Coast, you might notice a strange table-shaped platform jutting out of the water in the middle of the bar. Despite its resemblance to that of the little plastic table you find in a pizza box, it's actually the remains of the old Northern Light Tower. The old Northern Light Tower on Bribie Island was an important navigation point for ships travelling to and from Brisbane, especially from the 1980s until 2018. It worked together with the Golden Beach backlight to guide vessels through the Northwest Channel. Today, ships use a solar-powered beacon located 4 kilometres offshore instead. The tower itself is a well-known landmark. Its base is drilled deep into bedrock, so even though the light was removed in 2018 by Clayton's towing, the solid concrete platform remains. Before the tower existed, ships were guided by a simple big whiteboard on the island's northern tip, with upgrades gradually added from the 1950s onward. Historical records show that the tower originally sat well behind the sand dunes, far from the shoreline. It contained 2 large arc lights, one fixed at sea level and another that could be raised or lowered, and a generator that powered both the lights and a small sleeping area on the ground floor. It functioned as a complete, self-contained navigation station. One of the most dramatic parts of its story is how much the coastline has changed. In the 1980s, the tower stood safely in the middle of the island. By 2015, it was on top of the dunes, but still on dry land. By 2022, erosion had eaten away so much of northern Bribie that the tower's platform was surrounded by water and people had to swim out to it. This erosion sped up after the January 2022 breakthrough, when the ocean cut a new entrance through the island that quickly widened from 50 metres to more than 500 metres. Today, only the concrete base and metal frame remain, but the old Northern Light Tower still stands as a reminder of Bribie Island's rapidly shifting coastline, the power of natural coastal forces, and how maritime navigation technology has evolved. For locals, it has become a symbol of the island's dramatic erosion and the changing shape of the Pumice Stone Passage. It's also become a nesting platform for local ospreys, with some of the best views on the Sunshine Coast.